It is 3 in the morning. You are lying in the dark, thinking about absolutely nothing. Then it arrives, a sentence you said years ago, a joke that landed badly, a moment when you completely misread the room. Your face goes hot. You actually wince. Nobody else may even remember it. So why is your brain screening it tonight in perfect detail on a loop? Here's the strange part. Your brain may not be punishing you. You may have woken up in the middle of a repair. During the day, the memory leaves you alone. There is noise, light, work, messages, and 100 small things competing for your attention. But at night, all of that disappears. The room goes quiet, and the memory walks straight in. It is never the neutral stuff, not what you ate last Tuesday, not an ordinary meeting. It is the awkward thing, the wrong word, the moment you felt exposed. Your brain does not store every memory with equal weight. Some moments receive a stronger emotional tag. This mattered. Do not forget it. Social embarrassment gets one of the loudest tags. For most of human history, fitting into the group was not just about being liked. It was safety. Being rejected, shamed, or pushed out could be dangerous. Your world has changed, but your nervous system still reacts to social mistakes as if something has gone wrong. That is why one clumsy sentence can survive while entire months disappear. Your brain filed it under important, do not repeat. But here is where the story changes. While you sleep, your brain keeps working on emotional memories. During dream sleep, the brain's alarm system becomes unusually quiet. That gives it a chance to revisit painful moments in a calmer state, not to erase them, to soften them, keep the lesson, lose some of the sting. This is sometimes described as overnight therapy. The memory stays, but little by little, it may stop feeling like a threat. So why does it hit you around 3 in the morning? Because the second half of the night is different. Dream sleep becomes longer toward morning. At the same time, your body is slowly preparing to wake. Sleep becomes lighter, and if you wake at the wrong moment, you step straight into the session. The replay is still running, except now you are awake. The room is dark, your body is tense, and your waking mind starts asking questions. Why did I say that? What did they think? Do they still remember? This is where the repair can turn into a loop. A memory is not a perfect recording that stays unchanged forever. When you bring it back, your brain can update the way it is stored. That is useful. It is one reason painful memories become easier to carry. But if you keep replaying the moment while anxious, you may keep attaching anxiety to it. You are not only remembering the old embarrassment, you are adding a new scene. You awake in the dark, heart racing, treating the memory like a present danger. The old moment becomes sharper, louder, more alive than it deserves to be. And this is the cruel twist. The same flexibility that allows a memory to heal can also keep a rumination loop alive. The process is not trying to hurt you, but your fear keeps interrupting it. So the cringe at 3 in the morning is not proof that something is wrong with you. It may simply be a tired brain, an emotional memory, and a quiet room meeting at the worst time. Your brain was not dragging the memory back to humiliate you. It was trying to decide what that memory means now. The kindest thing you can do is also the hardest. Do not put the memory on trial. Do not search for the perfect reply you should have given 5 years ago. Do not try to solve your entire past before sunrise. At 3 in the morning, your mind is tired, dramatic, and terrible at giving fair verdicts. Let the case remain unfinished. Let the scene blur. Let sleep take the memory back. By morning, it may still be there, but it may no longer feel like it is happening again. And perhaps that is the quiet mercy of sleep. It does not delete the moments you wish had never happened. It slowly teaches your brain that they are over. The memory remains, the bite fades, and somewhere in the dark, the person you used to be is slowly being forgiven. Your brain runs dozens of little processes exactly like this one every night without ever asking you. I'm going to keep opening them up. If you want to be there when I do, you know where to find me.